Okay, so quick tip for anybody who wants to install some really simple shelves. You can go to your local hardware store, Lowe's, Home Depot, or if there's a local one where you live, that's great. Anywhere that sells aluminum U-channel, right? So you get the wood, whatever type of wood you want, whatever thickness. You get the corresponding U-channel. You literally just screw it in. Now this house is being rough framed right now, so we're going to finish our drywall to this so that these are going to be integrated shelves in the wall, so you won't be able to see them. These will truly look like floating shelves. But you can do it on the outside as well. It doesn't have to be integrated, but it's the simplest thing ever. You literally just cut it to size, and once you put that channel in, you install it like so. Now here again, you see this piece sticking out, but we're going to put stucco here and it's going to finish there, so you're just going to see just the shelf. But if you ever want a really quick, simple idea to make shelves, this is about as simple as you get. Just buy your U-channel, make sure that you get whatever size material you want. Use a small level to make sure that your shelf is leveled out. Cut these pieces to the right size. If this is a foot long, you cut this a foot or an inch shy of it and make enough room so that you have an inch or whatever the thickness of your material is in the back. And then you slide it in. It's a quick, easy shelf.